Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a simple makeup look using the Profusion cosmetics. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Profusion cosmetics natural 24 eyeshadow palette right here. I'm not sure of the look that I'm going for, to be honest with you guys, but I really like these two shades right here, this orange and red shade. So I'm going to be using those two colors for my eye makeup look, but I'm going to start with the orange one right here first. I'm going to start with this, and this, I guess. I'm going to be using this shade, and this shade. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to take this red shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my lids. So I'm going to take this orange shade right here. I'm going to blend it in with the orange shade, with the red shade that I just applied earlier. So I'm going to go over the red shade again. I'm going to apply it on top. I'm going to go over it again just to give you a little bit more pigment. So next I'm going to line my eyes with the NYX Cosmetics eyeliner and the eyeliner right here. First I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics eyeliner right here. I'm going to use that to line my eyes. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to apply my eyelashes and I'll be back. Using the Diego de la Palma brush, I'm going to use that to blend the primer into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been using this concealer non-stop since I received it. The concealer is just amazing, really. So I'm going to blend that in with the brush right here. Huda Beauty setting powder. to take the Easy Bake powder right here. Now I'm done with that, I'm going to take the Profusion palette right here. I'm going to take the blush from the palette right here. I'm going to use that I'm going to apply that on my face. So next I'm going to take the Profusion palette right here. I'm going to this Profusion eyeliner right here. I'm going to use that to line my waterline. I'm going to set my face with the matte Fix Plus right here. Again, Anastasia Baby Highlighter palette right here in the shade Dark Glow. I'm going to take this shade from the palette. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. So next I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick right here. I'm going to apply that in the shade Lady Boss.